Hey guys, so the EK project's still continuing, I guess. I've been looking for wheels for my Honda for quite some time, and I finally had the chance to find some. And let's see what they are. So I got these RSS rims. Some of them are in good condition, but most of them are not so good condition. I'll show you why. There's a lot of paint peel. You can see right there.
Right here is corrosion.
Yeah. So, yeah, and as you can see, it's all kind of bad. So I'm gonna show you how to transform them from garbage looking rims to nice shiny yellow, bright yellow looking rims. I'm using JB paint, and it's gonna take me about 4 hours to do this. I'm gonna start off by cleaning it with some purple power, pressure washing them, and go start sanding all them down. Let's do this. Now that it's all cleaned out, we're gonna pressure wash the other side of the rim. And so is this part, all them, pressure all the rims, and yeah, we're gonna start sanding it down with 800 after. Now that we sanded all the rims down, we're gonna tape it all off, and I'm gonna shoot it down with primer and wet sand it, and I'm gonna paint it after. So tape them all off. Now I'm gonna put the primer sealer and let it dry. Then I'm gonna paint them. Okay, they're ready to be painted. So mixing some paint right now. Let's see. Yellow. Whatever it is, it's yellow. Yeah, let's do this. So I got a very small coat on there before I spray 2 more fat coats on there. Looking better now. I'm gonna install them tomorrow. So I took off all the tape. Here's what it turned out to be. They look really clean. Oh, good thing I almost forgot to take those off. Alright, gonna install them on my car tomorrow, see what they look like. So, finally painted the rims, put them on. Show the other side. If you guys like this video, thumbs up and subscribe for more.